Hi, this is Jim with ProfitTrading.com, and we're going to go through a few commodity markets here. I just picked out a few, and then the ones I missed tonight we'll go over maybe tomorrow or the next day. S&P 500 double top level. This is the KST indicator. It's a momentum indicator from TNT Software. You can show the clear momentum divergence on this. I don't know what else to say, but it looks like a top's coming in, and I don't know what else to say, but I could be wrong. But it's just, this looks like a top coming in here, a break lower. Now, for one thing, if you follow candlesticks, this isn't a candlestick chart here, but if you know how the candlesticks are formed, this is the hanging man, today's bar. And hanging man patterns are topping bars. If the low's got to get taken out, that's confirmation. So if the market continues higher from here, then there might be a little more upside left. But if tomorrow's a really bearish day, this bar, today's bar, will confirm that a top is in. And again, it's never for sure, but I mean the odds are pointing towards the tops coming in on the S&P, and I'm looking at a lot of other just individual stocks. If you watch my stock video, I show a lot of the big names are breaking down. So basically, I'm bearish. The S&P, we'll see what happens. Probably too much said about that, but I mean it's an important market. Live cattle, I think we're at a bottom here. We've made a bullish divergence on the MACD. The MACD, the arrows up. The bulls and bears system with TNT Software, red bearish, yellow neutral, green bullish. We haven't had a green bar yet, but I think this is just making higher highs here, and I think it's going to continue higher. And I'll probably have a buy signal for that in my premium newsletter soon. Now let's see, chart overlays. This is advantage lines. This is track and trades. A proprietary indicator advantage lines. That's on a buy signal. So I really think live cattle's heading higher. So let's do the little arrow here and just show, make my mark in the world there, or whatever you want to call it. Cocoa definitely headed higher. I mean, all green bars on the bulls and bears system. Put in a buy signal right here. The red arrows are buy signals on the bulls and bears. The down red arrows are sell signals. This cocoa looks like it's heading higher. We actually got in cocoa back here, and I brought the stop up a little too close and got stopped out in here. So in the premium newsletter, and I didn't want to re-enter without a good entry point, but we'll probably get a good entry point again in the future. We'll go back long cocoa. Coffee, in the last video I said we might be making a higher low here, and coffee kept going lower. Again, that's something you can't know ahead of time. I thought we might be making a higher low, but come down and making a new low, that's no big deal, because we're not going to trade it until it turns around and puts a buy signal in. Now the MACD is making a bullish divergence, so I expect coffee to head higher from here. The good trade's on the upside right now because we've had so much downside. It could continue lower, but we'll just wait and see. Right now, I think the odds are it will turn higher from here. Natural gas, here's one we've been in on the premium newsletter. We got in way back here. We're still holding long. Now here's an interesting thing on this bulls and bears system. Sometimes it will put in these green bars, strong uptrend. Then the bars will turn yellow like this. Then the bars will turn back green. That's a re-entry signal if you want to use that. Now I'm not using it in my premium newsletter because sometimes you get in trouble when you try to pyramid up, and I just feel like we're in good on this trade from clear back here. We've got the stop brought up just under this yellow bar, so I'm just holding long and seeing what happens. The MACD looks good, everything looks good, so I think higher prices are ahead for natural gas. The weekly chart, which I won't show tonight, but that looks bullish on natural gas too. Lean hogs, this is a buy signal I'm putting out tonight in my premium commodity newsletter. So if you ever want to get buy signals or get my mentoring, you can sign up for that through my emails. I'm putting out a buy stop tonight above the above on August lean hogs, right above this high. Orange juice is we got long right here, and then I'm expecting this to continue higher. Now this is another one. It's in an uptrend. We got stopped out right in here in the premium newsletter. Got long here, got stopped out here, and now it's making these yellow bars. Now if orange juice trades higher and puts in a green bar, that'll be a buy signal again. So I might consider going long orange juice again since we're out. That's the difference between natural gas and orange juice. Is natural gas, we're still in it, so I don't want to add another contract, and then if it goes against us. But orange juice we're out of, so this I might consider going back long if we get a green bar, and that one I think is heading higher. S&P 500 we covered. Soybeans. Now here's an interesting thing on the bulls and bears system is we did get a green bar today, but it's a bearish bar. It's like a reversal bar, so I would not be taking this buy signal for beans right now. And actually in the premium newsletter we're short beans now, whether that plays out or not, but right now I think we're just making a little Fibonacci counter trend rally, and I think that's pretty much over with today's reversal bar. Again, that could change with more market action, but right now I expect beans to head lower from here. Dollar. Dollar put in a red bar today on bulls and bears, so this would be a good one to go short. I'm not taking this trade in the premium commodity newsletter because I don't like to take a lot of trades, get too much going at once. And we're taking lean hogs tomorrow, and we're in a couple other trades, so that's plenty of trades to be in. But this is a legitimate sell signal. Now here's the difference. And I showed you on soybeans we put in a green up arrow on a green bar, not a green up arrow, red up arrow on a green bar. But that's not really a buy signal because today was a reversal bar. Well, see, today's a red down arrow on a red bar, and this is a bearish bar, so this is a good sell signal to take. So basically I think if this low breaks, the dollar should continue lower from here. And that's it for tonight. So thanks for listening to my video. This is Jim with ProfitTraining.com.